If you're unaware that you can't unblock any website on your school Chromebook, I'm going to show you exactly how. So firstly, type up htmledit.squarefree.com and you'll get booked to that. Take all of that first thing off and then do just copy what I'm typing right now. So that href equals speech mark, and then just do an arrow that's pointing right, and then just remove the space, and then do an arrow that's pointing left, and then just do a /a, and then a right arrow. I'll have all of this in the description so you don't have to copy it out, and then do https://fishme.me and then do /main, or you can do any other proxy that you have, so it doesn't just work with that. And in that part, just type up anything as well and then press on the link, and then when you are here you can see all of this. It's not that hard though. All you need to do is scroll down and find 503 page, press that, and then it will redirect you to the proxy. And then when you go to the proxy, you can resize it, and then you can play or do anything you want. So you can press discord.com and then or google.com or anything like that, and then there. Thank you for watching and subscribe.